Recently, Donald Trump signed the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act 2020. According to this act, American government will impose sanctions on Chinese officials who perpetrated human rights abuses against Uyghur Muslims. You all know that in China, there is a Muslim community called Uyghurs. They are located in the Xinjiang province in China. They have a different culture and different identity compared with Chinese culture and identity. China wanted to impose Chinese culture, Chinese religion, Chinese identity, Chinese language, everything on them. In fact, UN is also very much concerned about the human rights abuses against the Uyghur Muslims. According to the recent United Nations estimate, around 1 million, that is 10 lakh Uyghur Muslims were sent to vocational skill training camps. In fact, according to China, they are vocational skill training camps, but they are truly jails where there will be a brainwash on Uyghur Muslims completely. China will impose their culture on them. China will indoctrinate their brains. China will try to manipulate their brains, Uyghur Muslims. And America is observing the anti-democratic attitude of China on various occasions recently. Human rights abuses, anti-democratic attitude towards Hong Kong, Taiwan, all these things America is observing, and America is trying to take a stern action against China. In this perspective, China also is very serious on America, that America is involving in the Chinese affairs. Chinese Foreign Secretary also have given a serious statement against America, and here we should know what is Xinjiang province and who are these Uyghur Muslims. Xinjiang is an autonomous region in China. It is located in the far west region of China, which has a long history. And Uyghur population, Uyghur Muslim community and indigenous Chinese people have clashes there. There are a lot of clashes. And Xinjiang, which hosts many Uyghur Muslims, is the largest of Chinese administrative region. Xinjiang borders 8 countries: Mongolia, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India. And Uyghur Muslims, their language is related to Turkish language, and they consider themselves as ethnically and culturally very close to Central Asian countries, Central Asian republics. You all know this Xinjiang province is very close to Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, all these countries. So, Uyghur Muslims have ethnic and cultural relations with most of these Central Asian countries. China's high-handedness, aggrandizement in Xinjiang province, particularly against Uyghur Muslims, is criticized worldwide. Let's hope that a day will come where democracy will have a light throughout the world, including in China. There is an organization called UHRP, Uyghur Human Rights Project. This organization protects the culture and tries to preserve the rights of Uyghur Muslims throughout the world. As I told you, recently USA have passed an act to protect the rights of Uyghur Muslims, at the same time to impose sanctions on Chinese officials who violates the human rights of Uyghur Muslims. This UHRP have welcomed the America's move and appreciated America's concern towards Uyghur Muslims. Thank you.